Hey everyone, this is week 7 of your 12-week class. You're more than halfway done. So, yay! That's exciting, right? I wanted to start off by thanking everybody who was able to make it to the All Fields of Interest meet and greet last week. I hope that that was valuable. If you have any specific feedback for me of how it was or was not valuable to you, I'm open to that. I'm one of the people that kind of helped coordinate that, so we're just always looking for ways to provide kind of extra support and create connections for you. So if you liked it, let me know. If you didn't like it, let me know. I'm definitely open to that. I just am finally caught up in grading with you guys. I got all of your Everybody Should essays graded, and you have feedback, so you should go in and look at those and ask questions if you have it. I've also graded all of the seminars. I found really good discussions in there. You'll find that my feedback is specifically related mostly to like citations and use of research, because that was one of the main things that I was looking for in this, and so you're going to see feedback in there about that. So go through that, make sure you understand if you lost points, why you lost points, how to fix it, and just let me know kind of if you have questions. This week is about doing peer review of your cause and effect essay. So you need to, by Wednesday, have a rough draft of your essay written and posted into the discussion board. And it's just like before, you're going to go in and you're going to give feedback to, I think, 2 people for this one. Yeah, a minimum of 2 peers. So you have until Sunday at midnight to give feedback to 2 peers. And I'm looking for that feedback to be constructive and specific. I want you to go into the actual documents, give feedback within the documents just like I did. I'm not looking for you to just put some comments on the side and say, good job, or I think this is really good. If you read through something and you don't have anything to say to them, maybe go find somebody that you can give some feedback to so that you can get all of your points, okay? Once you have received your feedback, I really encourage you to make revisions and then either send your writing to BrainFuse or the Learning Commons, get more eyes and more feedback on it before you turn it into me next week as the final draft, because you want to get as many points as possible. Okay, so that's kind of what's happening for this week. I also wanted to let you guys know that I am going to be out of town for a couple of days. I'm going to go and hike the Grand Canyon, and for those of you that have been up there, you'll know that there's not much phone service. So from about Monday afternoon until about Wednesday afternoon, I'm going to be unavailable to, answer messages or emails. You're welcome to send them, and I will reply to them as soon as I can on Wednesday. But between Monday afternoon and Wednesday afternoon, I'm really not going to be able to do that. But I'm not going to leave you out in the cold. In this announcement, I'm going to give you some contact information for Laurel Smith. She is somebody that has worked with me for the last several years. She's been a student success specialist in my class, so she's been like an embedded tutor, peer mentor, and this semester I hired her away into another position, so she wasn't able to be my success specialist, but she's agreed to be a point of contact for you while I am out of town. So if you have questions about some of the feedback that I gave you, she can go in to your assignments, or you can send them to her and she can look at it and give you feedback. If you want her to take a look at your citations or want her to look at specific parts of your paper, she is very well equipped to do that. And she's worked with me long enough. She was my student for 2 years, and then she worked for me for, I want to say, 2 years after that. So feel free to reach out to her if you need some support while I am unavailable, okay? So I hope everything is going great. I hope that you're in the groove and you're meeting all your deadlines. If you're not, you still have time to turn it around. I would say that's probably true in most, if not all, of your classes. Start communicating with your instructors if you're finding that you're starting to get behind or you need help. Get it now. Don't wait until things get any worse, okay? Otherwise, I will see you guys on the other side of the Grand Canyon, and I hope that you have a great week. All right, bye.